Are you streaming yet?
It's coming. I'll let you know. So I just press start to stream. All right, I'm on.
Alright, so on some shit, because of the way I have this marked out, current level, order block. I don't know if I wanted to. I'm trying to reanalyze it right now. I mean, it's definitely in a range, as in you can start at the 4 hour if you would like.
So I was about to say, let's do that real quick in terms of not even necessarily, you don't even have to mark nothing out on the four, but I do want us to peep the overall market structure and market phase on the four right now.
Well, I did want you to see this, and that's why. You feel me? For the buy opportunity, it's wick Philly, but it's more candle Philly. It's a previous wick Philly for 25, which could do. But there's a lower level made about, I want to say like 10 pips lower than that.
What the fuck am I on? Is my shit?
16 pips lower than that. So it makes it unviable to me to look for the clean trading opportunity. That's not exactly a clear range. But to the lows, you know what I mean? Like Fillington is 24. Damn near 25 on that dot from the way I have it marked out from an entry. If I wanted some shit, actually. There we go. So yeah, nigga can actually go snatch a solid 25er. You feel me? 15 piss dollar. Oh yeah, you would love this picture, guy. And the beautiful part about this, going off the 4 hour, is simply 4 hour wick Philly. But, nigga, respectfully, this here, this target, and I know it can do it. Let me send you the whole thing up. Yeah, just like that. Just like that, Sway. Knowing that, nigga, I just seen you do this. I just seen you do this. It may not happen this session, but I just watched my last entry do that and then have to supposedly paper trade re-enter in the hit. Wow. You feel me? Even going lower, I did not send that one. This is what I'm looking at on my shit. Bang. Bozo. You feel me? From these levels, I'm not gonna lie now like I cheated or nothing, but I went up to the 5 right now just to see what the fuck it looks like. And I'm anticipating it at 5 in the order block at this level, but I'm not trading that. I'm trading the breakout of the larger 30-minute order block after those smaller fucking 9 and 10 pip wicks are filled. Breakouts to the low are much more clear. There is a amount of support there, but there's also fat wicks on it to fill, with wicks below those to fill. Could apply for that either level, 20 or 25 pips. It's really no difference. But there's an abundance of clear range under. That's why I had you say, like, nigga, tell me this isn't double top. Go to the 1 hour. Actually, because you might have yours. Actually, you should. Go to the 1 hour and tell me this ain't double top. That whole thing has an extended 1 hour time frame. Oh, Bob Wick field already clear range break to the low 1 hour time frame is love. That's actually more of abundance of a clear range, very viable trade. Very viable trade, dog. 1 hour breaky. I'm actually gonna. That's getting set. Wow. Yeah, he's getting set. Fair warning, we will hear some noise. Apologize to the session. My son and my niece are playing.
Mm.
3.5 to 1 ratio, 23 pip stop loss, 1 hour order block breaky. Yeah, that's getting set now. So that has some time before we shoot. What you thinking though, God? You see, I've been waiting for you, so my shit was already just there, ready for me to spit it out.
Hmm. Yup. Hold up.
Drink some water.
Well, tell you what. Definite solid sales below 17.78.5.
Yeah.
Definite good risk to reward. I see about 30 plus pips with a potential 15 pip stop loss respectfully at that break.
Yes, sir.
Yep, I see that. I see that opportunity. So I just threw an arrow there for now, just like in the analysis portion. So I threw an arrow. And then so at the break of 1772.47 at those 1 hour wicks, right? I measured above, and just for a trading range, I only got 19 to 25, respectfully.
Yeah.
So I called that a no trade range for now.
You feel me? And that's why I have no buy bias.
Okay. Well, the cool thing is I do see buys though, respectfully. Maybe whether it was London or New York, I do see buys above 1774.55, 4 hour time frame. So it's really just like above the resistance, but yeah, 4 hour time frame. I see buys above that level. If it wants to go ahead and go make a higher high, there's plenty of range to take any amount of decent profit. I got about 67 pips to the next level on the 4 hour. So I mean, there's potential there. So, but I definitely do see sales though. So like even going back and starting on the 4 hour, the cool thing is I do notice how we have a push phase, higher high at a previous resistance, pretty much formulating that exhaustion phase, which is turning into an order block, which is great. Has plenty of wiki room below the candlestick closes on the 4 hour, which is obviously those sales we both spotted out. If it wanted to stay in the order block for a little bit, the order block itself is about 40 pips. And so it can go back to the top, to the bottom, whatever. We may even get new order blocky opportunities as price continues to formulate. But I do definitely see buys 4 hour time frame above 1774.55, sells below 1770.85, and after those play out, noticing the continuations or reversals of those as well.
Why 5.5?
So it's which one was the 5.5? Oh yeah, so that was just if you go to the 4 hour time frame, that was just near the top of the red wick, and then I threw a box to connect the other wick. So 1774.55 on the 4 hour time frame was really just the top of one of those wicks, one of those candlesticks.
I got you.
Yeah, and then I threw a box to connect that other wick, and then I pretty much just called the whole thing. That was because basically from the 4 hour time frame, candlestick body close to the first red wick is about 12-13 pips, and then to the green wick is about 17 to 18 pips, which I deemed not really powerful enough to take a confident trade. So I was just like, okay, I'm gonna just include this to be the one resistance that I'm looking at from that 4 hour time frame. And then when you come down to the 1 hour, we both definitely see those wicks at 72.47 area. So I got that marked out, but then measuring from the break of that to fill those wicks, I didn't really like it too much. So I will definitely wait for maybe an order block in that area and a potential break above that 74.55 area and continue on to maybe another higher high.
No, definitely. Like even what I have marked out, I'm fairly sick without having an order block created at the high. What the fuck did I just do? I kind of like that. But yeah, without that order block being created at the high, that definitely does create a fucking problem. So, I mean, if that wants to present, that'd be lovely.
Mm-hmm.
But if not, I mean, it is what it is. But the order block for sales has presented fine. I set that order entry at 17.6990. And then I have another one for if it wants to break the 1 hour order block range and go to the next the next major support level. And I'll take that as well. So yeah, I have both of those set. I'm fairly confident. I have alerts at minor 1 hour supports if need be, because that's the time frame I'm trading it, obviously.
Mm-hmm. And, I really like that 30-minute order block that's formed.
Yeah.
That's very nice. That's very that's very nice. And I think honestly, bro, combining that order block with simple volume, that's really all that's needed after that. It's really, you feel me, a high volume session or a high volume event. Either one, but that's what's really needed to make this type of methodology actually work. I feel like whenever we take trades and it loses, I really want us to notice what time we took that in. What was going on at that time? You know what I mean? Was it high volume, high impact? You know, is there buzz around, or was it literally just we took it just cause and it was agent session shit?
Facts.
Yeah, but nah, that 30-minute order block looks very good. The fill down, by the time it touches the bottom of the first wicks, you'll already be at 1-to-1, you know, healthy place to take some stop loss off. I would leave buys alone just for now. And
look, guy, you know what's comedic though? About, you feel me? You saying like niggas could be throwing buys or whatever, or trades period in Asian just to be throwing them, like really keeping that. The funny thing is that with this method, like I said, I don't feel like, because we don't have a bias, I don't think you can say we're actively trading it with bias. I'm not trading this with a thought. I'm just, if you're going to do it, you're going to do it if you provide it with the proper needs. if there's no proper heat, then you're probably not gonna do it.
Mm-hmm.
But nigga, hey,
I'll set that.
Yesterday, before we even got on the phone, PlayStation should have just held faith and let it go. That shit hit.
I'm about to set that sell stop. I'm gonna definitely set that sell stop.
Oh, you already said it? What's the price level?
I'm about to set it right now. Actually, hold up. I'm thinking. So you got these. Yeah, you could fill the wick, and that's great, and that'll be about 9 on the dot. So we can definitely enter below that 9. From here, the wick's right here. We'll go a few down. Boom. Bring the entry down here. Boom. Stop loss down a tad as well. Boom. Yeah, that's nice. That's nice. All right, so entry price is 1769.81. 81. Stop loss is 1771.31. And take profit, I got full take profit set at 1767.69. Honestly, bro, I think you're gonna fuck with gold's numbers more as well.
I am.
Nah, bro, I'm gonna keep it a band. Gold's numbers, nigga, are so simple. I love it, bro. And it's like, nigga, like, when it says 7, like, I don't know what GU and GJ's, like, numbers, like, I get it, but I don't. Gold, when it says 1770.85, that means per ounce of gold it's $1,770.85, nigga. Real shit. US dollars, nigga. US dollars specifically. You're like, damn, nigga, I got $1,500 in cash right now. Damn, I don't even got an ounce of gold on me.
Look, and that. Hold on. I done.
I'm gonna set an alert on that bitch.
I went to the Dixie.
Oh, you know what's funny? So the cool thing is we could do the same shit. I know you wasn't gonna say this, but I was gonna say this. We could do the same shit on the Dixie, but the only thing is, it's almost like our analysis is more of a lagging indicator if we're trying to use it on the Dixie to know what's gonna happen on gold. Due to the fact that it really don't fucking matter.
Look, the Dixie is 1 hour time frame. Uptrend.
Okay. Honestly, okay, boom. Analyzing our 4-hour time frame for real. I love the fact that bet we are bullish on the 4-hour time frame. We have pushed and made, at least retested the previous higher high and pushed the bounds a little bit more. Honestly, bro, imagine the 4-hour time frame was the 30-minute time frame for me for a second. Just imagine that is 30-minute time frame structure. The overall move of this order block that forms at this high, whether up or down, is going to be very solid. Very solid. Whether it's 1 or 2 4-hour candlesticks after this order block has been completed, just know, and us taking a potential sell to fill the 4-hour wick fill does not break the order block itself.
Bro, because I have a high anticipation on some funny shit. Looking at the Dixie 4-hour, you see how those wicks were obviously filled on the lower time frame and already tested that deepest wick. It was already fucking tested at a prior level right next to it at 106 600 flat.
Hold on, what time frame are you on? You said the 4?
Yeah, on the Dixie.
I gotta take these London session colors off real quick. All right, bet.
You feel me? So I'm at 106 600 on the Dixie. You feel me? I see 4-hour. That wick was damn near fully filled. level tested, whatever. You feel me? That little wick was kind of just like a no trade range if this was actual currency pair. Nigga, after seeing, you feel me, that 4 hour order block was kind of fiddly do, and then you step down to the 1 hour and say, okay, that was clearly a valid fucking support. Wicks filled the gap. We have a fat order block. Now, I went, bro, after going on the 1 hour, because it looks so much more drastic, look to the left.
Hold up, cuz.
What the fuck? Look at the left.
Wait, after what? After what? After what?
After you analyze the structure of the 1 hour, after we went top down very slightly, go to fucking nigga November 10th till now and tell me how many pips that bitch did to make the low. We're not gonna get no exhaustion on the US dollar. That's never happened, nigga. That bitch did 450.
Yo, I just measured. I got 450. Hold on, though. I gotta remember that day, bro. November 10th, bro. Was that CPI or Fed funds rate?
I believe that was CPI, bro.
Let me make sure.
Yeah, let's go check it out. I'm looking my damn self.
I don't know why this bitch is on the. Oh, my shit tweaking. Hold on. Nigga. Default, nigga.
CPI, yeah, I was right.
Oh, shit. Hold on.
CPI tanked that bitch.
Bro, I gotta reset my settings. Hold on.
That's crazy.
I know you said it. I was just going back just to. Okay, yeah, nigga. And I think it's crazy. Peep this. I think this was one thing that really got me when we first started even looking into fundamentals and how to look at the economic data. Peep this, bro. Consumer price index lowering, meaning the cost of consumer prices for products and goods and services are getting lower, more affordable for the consumer. US dollar goes down.
It's terrible. That's what these niggas look at it as. Oh, this is awful.
This is awful. If you pull up, you don't even have to, but if you pull up CPI on Forex Factory and you pull up the usual effect column, nigga, this shit says greater than forecast is good for currency. This is terrible for me though. Terrible. This is terrible for me though. What do you mean this is good for currency?
Look, but the funny part is you scroll down to this week. Because of CPI, guess what?
Hold on, don't tell me. Let me go to this week.
What does that do for us, Scott? What do we know that automatically means?
Hold on, I'm just trying to make sure that there's not something on there that I'll be like, okay, boom, boom.
All right. What am I looking at, God? What was I thinking?
And say it again.
Because of CPI numbers, and we have the data now. The data's been received, it's concrete, priced in and all. And based off of what you just said, what does that mean for the red folders coming up this week?
I know you see PPI.
PPI, yeah, I get it.
Okay.
But look at retail sales.
Where's retail sales? Is that a red folder for the US dollar? Oh, I see it on Wednesday. Increase.
Fuck the core. Retail sales, period. The big dog.
So retail, so like more. Okay, so products and services are getting cheaper, so retail sales go up, and this is gotta be bullish for the US dollar, right?
Man, what?
Yeah, actual greater. So the more retail sales a niggas having, okay, economically, yeah, nigga, like niggas is okay.
Bro, because fucking core retail,
God damn.
you feel me? Core retail is fucking cars and shit.
No, okay.
Retails, it's all of that.
So
Advanced retail
so
sales.
Pete, just on some regular, just normal, not even holding a bias, but just having thinking, would that be a reason to anticipate, like you said, that US dollar exhaustion from those downs to find some bullishness and we can get those gold sales potentially after those pushes up that we just got?
And that's what I'm thinking. You feel me? Bare minimum from the level that we're at now. Let's say gold does want to come up and come fill that wick in that 20 pip no trade zone, right? And come right back, literally right back, like it typically does, to damn near 1773 3 flat.
Mm-hmm.
It comes back down there, maybe it even makes an order block up there, potential higher entry. But even if not, same entries because of where we have them still breaking a low to further confirm the move is 1,000% valid and even safer than trying to take the break of that order block. It may bounce off that level because it spent so much fucking time here instead of just running straight through it. But if it comes up, wicks out and does that, then breaks it, that was a liquidity grab, come back into the order block, break the low with the liquidity grab, smack. And all that would look like on the Dixie was, yep, we got simply this last second. All right, we get a fucking on the 1 hour. In this last 45 minutes, we get a slight little push down for whether it's 30 pips or 19 pips. It comes down to either one of those lows to test them, but the reason why I'm almost so confident on it is because the 30 pips was already tested. And it left that level, came up to highs, ranged out, order blocked, attempted to come back down, could not do it. It is stair stepping on the 1 hour right now.
What, the Dixie?
Yeah.
Okay.
You're probably going to go up. Bare minimum, because you're stair stepping, you're going to go up first before you go down, even if that's on this candle.
Did you set that sell stop?
Mm-hmm.
So what's your entry, stop loss, take profit?
So 30-minute order block, entry 1769.90, stop loss 1771.40, 15 pip stop loss. And then,
Say that again. You said 177140.
Yeah.
Yep.
And then TP is 1767.40. Then I have breakout of the 1 hour order block, given whatever the fuck wants to go on within the shit that we're actively trading now. Entries at 1766.44. Stop losses at 1768.74. TP's at 1758.40.
Oh, got you.
For the 1 hour break.
Oh,
if it wants to break the high, I need an order block at 1775 flat.
No, I like that. I like that. Cause look, honestly, yeah. Cause I drew a box. I know I didn't send you no pictures. I have a box with, if you're on the 30-minute time frame for gold, the top of my box is at the top of the green wick, and then the bottom of my box is at the top of the red wick.
You gotta show me.
I got you.
I was like, nigga, I'm trying to figure it out. Like, the nigga's not sitting in front of the screen. Nigga, show me your screen.
Yeah, you right. You right. So Hemerton won?
Ah, got you.
Yeah, so I just have that as my ultimate resistance area.
Same here.
Okay, okay.
Actually, the wick is inside. Lined up with the closes, like right below the close of the 30-minute candlestick that you feel me had that nasty ass push down the wick to the high.
No wick to the high.
You feel me? So like that level, right under it, type shit. That's kind of how I have it marked out because that the candlesticks responded there and opened, and then. It's just because I have it in the whole 20 pips though. Yours isn't a 20 pip box, is it?
Oh, my box is. Hold on, actually, let me get it right. My box is approximately 7 pips.
It's 7 pips.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, yeah, that's why it looks different. Cause yeah, mine's the whole 20 pips above the 30-minute level, and that's why I was like, I can't take a buy. You're instantly running into a psychological level.
Yeah, look. Because I think I know exactly what you're talking about. You're like your resistance. Your resistance is like all of this.
Yeah.
No, that makes sense. That makes sense. I think just sometimes I just do things for aesthetics. Cause if you notice, I have this resistance marked out, and I understand that this would be the range that it could be possibly traded in. But I put this note here that I said this is a no trade range for me.
Yeah, and that's why I'm like yours. Yeah. Yours just is simply just what makes sense to you. We're thinking the same thing. To me, that's the psychological resistance level up there.
Yeah,
but
this is
whole range is a no trade range, and that's why that whole 20 pips. I don't want an entry anywhere fucking near it.
Yeah, no, that's a fact. That's a fact. No, I like this. I like this
whole
though.
Box, nigga, blown through something, or get an order block within the box. Then I'll take it.
I want to really make sure that this is understood right here, this trade right here. Because I know it's probably not as crystal clear on the camera. It looks a little fuzzy to me, so.
No. Are you looking at the 4 hour?
Yeah, I'm on the 4 hour, bro. And I'm actually.
That's why I said my 1 hour entry is, you feel me, at the break of the 1 hour wick that fills the 4 hour wick.
Yeah.
That's what I'm taking.
Well, let me tell you this, man. This idea right here, specifically, with support created with this candlestick, potential break of the support for Wick Fillington. This idea right here, I love. And it's the 4 hour, so it may take a little time, but once when we come and actually check the 4 hour based off this idea, if this particular one plays out, bro, to see a fucking, come on, you know I'm coming with a creative vision, bro. To see a fucking, come on, bro, just a fat joint, look, nigga. Nah, I'm making the whole thing too, nigga. Look, nigga. Little baby wick in there. Hold on. Okay, hold on. The candlestick gotta be one a little bit bigger, cuz. Look, fat ass candle. Fuck it.
Fat ass candle.
Fat one, nigga.
I just realized what I'm looking at on your screen is a major zoomed in version of 4 hour.
Yeah, because I like to look at it almost like it's a smaller time frame, but knowing how much more powerful it is. Like, if you get a fucking candlestick like this on this time frame, filling this structure, bro, you know you're up like 30.
Look, and you know what I'm thinking though, because I know how gold is. I seen it back tested, and I seen it yesterday.
Should be smacking through shit.
Nigga, not only that, I don't want it to. I want it to come down there, tap, kind of range around a little bit, order block it a little bit away from the level.
Mm-hmm.
And then look at all, bro, tell me that range under it isn't considered still valid, clear range.
No, of course it is. It's gorgeous. It's absolutely beautiful. It's just the fact that you could spot, just like as we are right now, it's just the fact that you could spot this, like, okay, if that was to happen, what comes first? Wick Fillington comes first.
That's why I have them both.
Right.
I'm gonna be there for the second
one. Well, the cool thing is too, what I like about it is after we kind of get like real comfortable with knowing like, okay, if this is really truthfully, you gotta think about it. If this is really truthfully a valid trade from the 4 hour perspective, right? You gotta be aware that at some point, after taking 1 to 2s and 1 to 2s and 1 to 3s, and it goes from 1 to 8, because it's still 4 hour validity and you're ready to take trades at these levels, after taking partial profits, you feel me, a couple positions off or whatever the case is, moving stop loss way into profit, so no matter what, you're gonna hit. But bro, holding that shit from the creative from the creative side. You feel me? From the nigga, okay, I been saw this. If it was to do this break into this zone, it gonna have to Wick Fillington first for the 30, 35, and then we're talking about another 70, 80, 100, 125. All right, bet. Well, shit, I'm gonna take some profit off at this level after taking this trade entry right here. I'll take more trades right here, but I'm letting the fat guy run. Not even a fat position, just a runner run, just to let it be known that position from right here caught nigga 150.
The only reason I'm saying the 1 hour to me is the same is because yes, it might be a whole candle, but it's the exact same structure. Slightly a little high May, okay, whatever, but bitch, already fucking 40% of it's been retraced.
It's a beautiful order block on the 1 hour.
You feel me? And it's like, nigga, 1 hour? Bitch, you have nothing but an abundance of clear range, and I only have it set like that because I'm like, let's say our TV gets hit, and price range is around and goes all the way back to the top. No bullshit. We get the London Open volume, it hits it, or even Asian close volume, it hits it. Upon London Open might want to chill. We don't know. It might want to chill and stay between that range and build some more volume and push either out of that direction, you feel me, by forming an order block at the high and then breaking it, 30-minute, or it's just going to continue, big, simple continuation trade. No more need to exhaust. I've already exhausted. For bitch, if it comes up there after hitting TP, that's well over 8 hours. I mean, at that point, you gonna break pretty damn hard. If you break to the low, there's an abundance of clear range for you to come into and still stay in a larger time frame range if that's what you choose to do.
That's very true.
You feel me? And that's why I'm like that. If gold wants to, I'd rather be your. Well, if I can't get what I want, I'm gonna just take what I can and what I always do. That's gonna give me something. I'm gonna just level out and keep it chill, just like a trader. Okay, stay in the range then, bitch. I hit either way. Stay in the higher time frame range so that you can figure out what you want to do before these numbers are entered tomorrow. When they're priced in tomorrow for initial pricing, that's probably gonna do something come New York session. That's what I'm anticipating, that breakout after those 8 hours. Going from the 4 hour order block level in either direction. You feel me? If it so happens to want to continue to push below that, bless you.
Thank you, brother.
You know what I'm looking at?
From
where we're at. Did you look at the daily? Daily Wick Fillington.
No.
Daily Wick Fillington.
No.
Daily. Look.
Daily. Hold on. No. Look, I'm changing my entry price. Hold on. Give me a second.
Let me just say one thing.
Oh, no. Okay. Go ahead.
The size of the wick. Daily. Nigga. Oh, no.
No, hold on. Okay, now I gotta look, because you just hit me with the... Ooh, no.
Nigga, 182.
No, the what? I didn't even see that Wick Fillington Warner.
Look.
Hold on, can you see my face?
Look. Retail gets priced in. Oh, bullish. Go on. Wick Fillington.
Wick Fillington for the 200. Said nigga, we don't run 100-yard touchdowns. We run 200. Said, damn, nigga, he damn near technically scored like twice, nigga. We got fucked, nigga.
Look, and what I'm anticipating is do the 200, nigga.
And come back.
Wick Fillington.
Inverse.
No.
No?
Daily Wick Fillington at that level.
I'm thinking daily Wick Fillington back to the downside, inverse daily Wick Fillington back to the upside.
Look, and that's another
250 Honda.
nigga, the fucking small wick is 89.2 pips.
Yeah, I'm on.
If you do that,
See, pause. I feel like I like what we're doing right now. I like what we're doing in terms of noticing that our patterns are fractals. Like I said that other day, our patterns are fractals, bro. You can see and analyze the same shit on the daily, weekly, 4 hour in terms of, oh, I do see this. Okay, bet if I find the structure that needs to be created to take that on even on the slightly lower time frame, oh yeah, like I definitely see how I can get the daily 200 Wick Fillington. I see that.
10, come back up.
And you gotta hold it though, because that could take 2 days. The numbers come out on Wednesday. It could start to happen now.
That's fine.
But it will probably finish on that day.
I love that.
Say less. That's all I wanted to make sure.
Volume, knowing gold has enough volume to do fucking 50 to 100 tonight.
Oh yeah.
Not tonight, but New York off the pricing.
Yeah.
The initial pricing day before.
Mm-hmm.
Nigga, let's say that has enough force to come down and fill the whole fucking wiki. 200.
Real
There's
quick.
another 100 pip wick on the bottom, which provides a range. Let's say it wants to trade in that range. Cool. If it breaks that clear range to the support, you ready?
Wait, what time frame you on?
Daily.
Gold?
Gold.
Go ahead.
You see me?
Mm-hmm. This bitch, bro, measure the last fat ass daily candle. Measure that real quick.
Bro, the fucking candle itself is 500.
That's one day. That's a day for gold. Obviously a big day.
To get the break out of the 100 pip range, that might. We're talking about, nigga, we're forecasting the whole next week, maybe longer. Break out of that fucking 100 pip range. 400.
Hold on, bro. I'm noticing, bro, on daily time frame, bro. Order block, break into clean range, 300. 300. I'm gonna tell you. I'm gonna tell you where it's at so you can see it too, bro. It's the break of the November 7th, 2022 candle daily time frame.
You already know that's right. I instantly went to that one. 300.
Bro, 300. Bro, you gotta think though, bro. That's real shit. 2.5 days worth of daily price action to create that order block at that level to the left. I don't even have nothing marked out, but you see, if you look left from that level, there's already a level. All right, bet. Order block at that resistance, daily time frame, above those wicks, clean candlestick, 300.
Bro, and even to the right after that, literally right after it did 300,
another 300.
Nigga, it created 100 pip range. Look, it made a wick, filled the wick to the high. On the retest, came back down, closed bearish, made a support, made the resistance, order block already retested. You feel me? Around key price level 17.26 flat, retested right there. Nigga broke that high. 300.
300.
From the lows on the bottom, ugly ass order block. Don't know how you would have traded that unless that daily wick to the bottom, that 128 pip range could have provided something on that wick. Unless you took that on the breakout of the range before it, Wick Fillington took it, bitch. Either way, the nigga before that, it was 500 pips in a day, 300 pips in a day, 500 pips in a day.
Hold on, bro. Did you point out already the 30-minute time frame? 30-minute time frame. When that November 10th shit did happen with CPI, I think before we really started to see and understand the long Rick Fill ranges and how you could trade those, I actually did not see how I would have been able to catch that besides just taking the trade at some random point on that day.
Bro,
But now I see the 91 pip Wick Fillington that I'm like,
bro,
oh.
resistance at 1709 type shit. Order block support around, you feel me, 1705.
Mm. See, I wasn't even talking about that one, but I do see that one too.
See, that's crazy.
See, no, look, I wasn't even honestly. It wasn't even that I didn't see it, but I saw something that was like a bigger. So like a, it's cool because this shit kind of can connect and get confirms further and further. But I definitely see what you're talking about for sure with the 17. Yeah, I see that. I see that. But I saw literally same order block. Well, not the same small one, but the same big ass order block. That Wakefield, bro. The Wakefield to the top.
I see what you're talking about.
Okay, I was looking at that like even if earlier bounces off the support order block break wasn't taken, but once that analysis came out or once that timing of it came out and it started to break the highs to fill the wick, oh yeah, bro, it's a wrap, bro. I'm just throwing heme with 20 pip stop loss. Fuck it.
Bro, so you see the first big ass candle?
Yeah.
Fuck the candle right before it. Look at the 3 right before that order block at the high.
Hold on, so not the fat ass candle that left, but the 3 before it.
Yeah, but no, look, not counting the one right next to it though.
Okay, the ones inside the order block.
Yeah, there's 5 candles, one big ass one, the 3 first ones
Yeah.
of the 5 order block break.
Fat break.
Push. Like, nigga, that order block break is the one that we would have taken if we were there for New York, which is shit, the time that I would have been at work or something, or getting up in the morning and seen it on the shitter.
I'll keep it 1,000. If we're fucking with, if we know that there's red folder coming out for certain sessions, like we could scuff up the time to focus on. All right, man, let's hit that real quick.
Bro, because that was nigga 30 pip filled to the high, TP1 smacked for 30 pips. Runner from that entry, runner was 400.
Fall. Yeah, I see it. I see
415.
it. Nah, I can't wait for the day where it's really like, nah, we're about to take this shit, hold it, and it really blesses us with nothing but green candles or red candles in our favor. Cause that's cold blood right there. If you got a trade, it's a long bitch. 3-400. 15-minute time frame. One candle that was not the color of your favor. One. Out of all of the ones that, bro, that's literally like nigga 400. Straight take profit, no zigzag.
Bro, 2 hours, 400.
That's stupid.
And you started it with slight baby little 15-minute candle. All right, we're going to give you the 20 pip break. Very next candle. 200. Nigga, could you imagine seeing that shit? Nigga, okay, yeah, we got the 20 pip break. Let's see if we can get the full 30 TP. Yep, next channel 6 about to open. 3, 2, 1. As usual, we're just waiting. About to tap. Boom. Spike up. Boom. 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 Hold on. God. 200.
That should be sick, bro. Ill will. Ill.
Look, tell me this though. Would you hold for the whole 400 or you're nigga 200? Cut.
I'm snagging 200, bro. You know why, bro? Because I think there's levels to this shit in terms of like, bro, it just makes sense to go for, let's say, all right, you have these like milestones, right? To where like, okay, you're like, nigga, yep, I hit for 30 and I'm hitting for 30 consistently. Okay, bet I hit for 50. Now I start hitting for 50 consistently. 100. Okay, nigga, first time I hit 200 that got to be snagged. I got to hit that at least 5 more times before I let that 200 run past me again. You know what I mean? Like the same thing, like bro, at every little like level, like even if it was like, yep, nigga, I'm about to take a 100 pip trade with 20 pip stop loss because I've been hitting and it's been doing 100 pips after it, especially with the range. So I'm like, bet, I'm gonna take it, bro. After I hit the first one, I'm gonna at least want to hit that like 5 more times before I'm like, fuck it, I'm gonna let it run for 200. Nigga, why? Hold on, bro. Like, hold on. So, like, at every level that's beyond, like, every level that's low key beyond, like, 50, I'm gonna have to hit it, like, 5 times. Not even in a row. Not on no, you feel me, big hooper shit. Not in a row. But, like, I'm gonna have to hit it at least 5 times before I'm like, okay, bet, I've went through that journey, had those ups and downs, had times where it did just straight 100, times where it did 60, came back 30, went back 70, came back 40, then hit me, and I held it the whole time through that raping. All right, let's see if I can do it again, I guess. Goddamn, you know? But until it's
But if you
like,
would have marked it out on a 1 hour,
huh?
if you would have marked that out on just the 1 hour time frame.
Nah, those are obviously multiple different trades and X, Y, and Z's, but what?
Bro, if you would have marked it out on the 1 hour time frame,
What?
the very next high
Huh.
is 357.4 pips away
Wait, from what, right now?
from on that trade. The very next actual fucking dominant 1 hour high that was responded to and became a psychological support to continue that uptrend. To the left of it,
How much?
The last recent high after the break of that level, which was at an extreme high already.
How much?
357.4 pips.
I'll keep it 1,000. I'll keep it 1,000.
The next high.
No, I'll keep it 1,000 though. On some initial shit. I'm probably not catching the whole thing. Not saying that it wasn't traded the whole way or whatever the case, but I'm probably not catching the whole thing in one trade. If I'm up 150, 200, I might have to snag that especially if I had 20 pip stop loss. I'm up like 1 to 10 right now, my nigga. Like, come on, my nigga. Like, come. Even with 0.5% risk, I'm up half the challenge.
No, I'm just saying, like with the 200.
Nah, y'all.
The 200 wouldn't have been like oh, nigga, I caught 100. No, I caught 200 one candlestick. Yeah, I could take that. But the way I have it marked out, it says it can do 350. Can I just get 250 to come to nowhere, just in the middle? You were straight pushing when it made its move down to the range that it made. It was straight push, 300.
300.
Nothing else. Straight push, straight down. Okay, well, it took you fucking a whole 2 weeks to reciprocate the move, but it did it.
Mm-hmm.
There was no other level for you to mark out because of that push. Well, if you break the side, there's the next fucking range is 350 pips away. I don't know what to set my TP at as a runner. If I say 200, that's just because you slowed down at 200. You slowed down, exhausted 20 pips, 30 pips.
I said, fuck that. Fuck it.
Another 300. God. Wow.
No, look, ideally, bro, because, like, there's these consecutive moves and waves in the market to where it does do, like, yep, nigga, on gold. 500 pip moves are literally $50 an ounce changes. You know what I mean? 100 pip moves are $10 changes. So it has periods when it's going through heavy. Like, bro, when we started these rate hikes, nigga, from the time
gold.
Bro, you feel me? When we
Rate.
started the rate hikes, nigga, the shit has so much downtrend movement that even if you were able to mark out a 500, that's fantastic. Hold one if you want. Hold a standard if you want. Cool. Because you know if that shit keeps pushing down and creating structure and not hitting your stop loss or making it or taking too much profit away, nigga, you know you're trading the rest of that whole week to week to week, my nigga. Like, there's gonna be literally weeks that are straight bearish. During the times where it's order blocky back up, there's no range, so it keeps going up for a little while to retrace. We're in buys. 1,000% we're in buys. You feel me? But it's the fact that the overall 3-month moves, the fat ones, are always to the downside. And then the slow ones was to the upside. We're catching all those. We're catching all of them. Even if you're like, nigga, I see 500, I'm up 150, I'm taking it. Cool. There's still 350 left in that direction. Who says you can't take two more hundreds off the table?
Oh, and all this is right now is that September article we read that said gold was going to do what and come to what price levels. When we was down at like 1,400, what did we say? That bitch says it's coming up to 17 to 19 by the end of the year. Where's it at?
17. On its way to 18. To be honest, it's in a range from nigga 17 to 1775.
And Billy Bob Thornton, whoever the fuck wrote that shit, Q3 at the at the end of Q3 said, yeah, that's gonna happen in Q4. Happened.
No, that's a fact. I like that majority of, you feel me, the analysis from, I think it's FX Street and investing.com, bro, when it's like on some real analysis shit or outlook shit, they're talking numbers shit. When they're talking numbers, like, yeah, my nigga, we're thinking, you know, based off X, Y, Z, whoopty whoopty, 2,000 is about to be hit again.
Before the year's end.
Type shit, like, you know what I mean? So this shit, I'm actually tapping in real quick.
Traders looking at their shit like, nigga, we're at 15, 12. You just said 2,000.
Yeah. I remember I was door dashing, bro, and I told you that shit. Once we started reading some more like articles and I'm like, nigga, these niggas literally said, bro, this shit about to go back to 2 bands. And then in the meantime, they was like, nah, yeah, that shit about to go to like 1640, 1620 until the motherfucking US get right. That's where that shit went. That's where that shit went. I'll tell you.
Going from 16 to 2.
That's like what, like 4,000 pips? That's like a $400 move. Yeah. Wait till, matter of fact, bro. Wait
before the interest rate cycle goes up that shit.
Wait till that one day comes where we're really just managing our own money for real, and it's the start of the year. And we're like, fuck it, bro. Like, nigga, we know what's going on economically, fundamentally, bro. Let's check the hard time frame, nigga. If we get that trade that is that pivot trade, it could potentially be that potential peak, or even after the peak happened. We're holding that for 6 months. Period. Look, set this one, forget all about it. Every time you open your MT4, you have one trade that's up all the time. Imagine that. Imagine after the first week you took it, you're up 150 pips. From there, you never even thought about it no more. And you just continue to take trades in line with it. Closing dubs.
Move TP to, stop loss to up 100 pips. Well, I left that level 200 pips ago. 200
pips ago, bro, and I'm moving 500. Imagine when it pushed 500-600 in your favor one day, like, hold on, bro. We've been up 300 already to keep it 1,000. That shit just pushed 500 in line with that. We're up 800.
Like nigga, God, what? I'm up 18%.
Just floating, positive. Imagine it's with 100,000 under management. You literally got motherfucking 50 lot, 100 lot on there. Like real deal, $100 a pip, up 800.
Bro, I'm not even gonna lie to you. If I'm up $100 a pip, up 800.
800. How much is that, real quick? How much is that? Is that like 8,000 or 80,000? Is that 80?
That's 80.
That's 80,000. Floating profit 80,000.
Respectfully,
You're taking it.
nigga, that's not what's going on the account.
I'm taking it. I'm taking it too.
You're
I'm,
talking about 80% of my account.
I'm, I'm taking it too. Look, I'm taking it too, my nigga. But that's what I'm saying though. It's like once you call that move, okay, cool. You're up 200, 300. Looks casual on the daily, cool. And then something pops, and it's 500 more. Been holding it for 5 weeks, 6 weeks.
I'm snatching it.
80,000.
Watch that be, yep. Beginning of Q3, we just closed 80,000.
We just closed 80,000. Like, look, and imagine we're hedge funding it, and we set that trade, forgot all about it, and let that one trade be the one trade that paid all the clients' payouts and everything else we made as we've hit the mark every fucking month. All right, that's ours now. Fuck it. That's ours now. Fuck it. That's fuck it.
Got 650,000 in the pot. We hit for 20% every month.
Every month. And we just let that one trade. We didn't even do nothing with that trade after we took it. We just left it.
Just to pay you niggas off. Say, oh yeah, we got enough to pay these niggas and some just for sitting through this for our patience. Bad. But God. Nigga, I want to know what I just said. I need to know what that number is.
600. You said 600 something thousand.
650,000 in the pot. We took 20% a month. That was $130,000 a month.
So we're paying ourselves literally
times 9 for the first 3 quarters, 1.17 million, which means, nigga, me and you take home 585,000 flat after giving these niggas collectively the whole fucking clientele. Here's 80,000. I took 585,000. Bitch, thank you for your service. Them niggas is over there. Oh, baby, I'm up. Mom, Trey just sent me my fucking $5,000 check. You're not up, baby. You're not up, baby. Yeah, I sent you your 5. You broke bitch.
Okay, god damn it. God damn it. That was so unnecessary.
I love you, it's peace. But look here, you broke bitch. You got a 5. I got a 5. I got damn near 600.
It's a large
nigga, but I don't got 600. I got 600,000.
It's a large nigga.
Look.
That'd be so valid.
That's company accounts only.
Bro.
Nigga, that was London session trades only. Hell, once we got 650 in the pot, I'm hiring a trader from FTMO. Nigga, you hit for what? 6 months?
Yeah.
20, 35, 42. You was the nigga. You was him. Yeah, come work for us.
We'll make sure it feels adequate. We'll keep growing the money and growing. You'll be guy. You'll be straight.
Why would I work for you guys, bro, when I'm here for 40% and I have a $300,000 account? You're capped out, aren't you? What? You're capped out, aren't you? You want a $500,000 account to trade, bud?
How about a $3 million?
Well, when you put it like that, yeah.
How about
your stupid ass over here? Stop talking.
How about $3 million, nigga?
And it's $3 million. Take your 10%, bro. You can take your 10.
Look, take your 10 and understand culturally we're doing something good in the meantime. You feel me? Your family could get on this. They don't gotta ask you for money. You can give them money, put it in their account, and build their money. You feel me? You can literally free anybody you want to free. This is bigger than just you making $100,000 a month, $200,000 a month, and exponentially growing $2 million a month. It's bigger than that. It's the fact that you can keep all that you make and earn because you earn for others at the same exact time. So
Bro,
that everyone around you will be abundant and free. They won't even need to be in your pocket ever. So you're gonna keep more anyway because nobody else is in your pocket because everybody got it. And that's because of you. Matter of fact, your pockets, they're going to still keep divvying up the extras that they take home with you because you provided it.
and bitch, you know how to trade just like us, nigga. We're not on here for 8 hours, nigga. I'm not asking you to work for me, nigga.
Do what you do.
I'm asking you to help you by helping me.
Just do what you do for like 2-3 hours a day. Pick a session.
Nigga, help me help you real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Damn.
Damn.
Like if the nigga said no to that, I'm gonna be like, bro, why? I'm providing you something that, nigga, you're eventually gonna want to use anyway. You can try to do that by yourself. What, you gonna manage 8 accounts as one person?
Right.
Go ahead, bro. Go ahead. And props to you if that's what you want to do. I'm gonna go find that next nigga to pop up on FTMO that hit for 38% when you hit for 42. Bitch, you're not that different.
Look, and
best believe if I'm hiring you, what do you think we've done, nigga? What do you think the 2 niggas sitting in front of you, what the fuck do you think we've done? Why do you think we have a hedge fund? Why do you think you're getting an offer from a fucking firm? Not a bank. You're getting an offer from a financial firm. Firm. When a nigga says firm, that's money. We're talking mass equity business. That's a firm. Nigga, you have $300,000 under management and you're capped out. Yeah, but I've been making great money. I'm a multi-millionaire. Mm-hmm. No, chill out. You're not a multi-millionaire. Because if you don't have literally over fucking 2 saved up, never needs to be touched, you're still barely a multi-millionaire. When you have 3 that doesn't need to be touched, you're a multi-millionaire. I'll give you that.
I literally got multiple millions. Not a couple millions, which we all know is 2, but multiple 3 or more. I was even thinking 10 or more, to be honest.
That's my first number that I was thinking, like, you really gotta have 10, bro.
I feel like 10 is really like multi-millionaire, like, because now ain't that 8 figures at that point? Because you got the 1 and then
you gotta have 10 plus.
You gotta have 10 plus. You gotta be really like 8 figures, 10 plus. Because then at that point, all that questioning, that means you're probably either making $1 million a year. Because I think that should also register it too. Like, if you're making $1 million or more a year, because then that's different. You can, not anybody based off of psychology, but many people can work and save up to earn $1 million. For sure. There's people who can earn $1 million, save it up, but like make $1 million every year. Not every 10 years, but every year.
Bro,
nigga.
At the end of the day, if Cuddy was hitting month? For fucking
every day,
30% every month.
Hold on, pause. My fault. Imagine making $1 million a day. I just had to put that out there one time. $1 million a day.
That's what that nigga Elon Musk make. Him and Jeff.
$1 million a day. You check your accounts, there's another $1 million.
Bro, we're talking about top 0.1%.
Well, that's where I want us. $1 million, a fucking million a day across multiple platforms.
Facts, bro, because that means we're on the way to, you know what, we can advance this a little further. It's gonna take a lot longer to advance something that's already at that level. A little further.
It's exponential. Keep going to the moon.
Feel me? Over time, we'll have $1 billion, bitch. But even with that nigga shit, bro, if he was hitting 30% every month with FTMO,
that's like what percent a day?
Nigga, you're hitting 72,000 a month. That's his payout after the cut. When they take their 20%, That's your payout, bud. You're making 72,000. I'm giving you $3 million to put under management. You take 5%.
Pete, did you know? Did you know? If we had 100 million under management and made 1% a day, we would make $1 million a day. Nigga! 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 Get 100 million under management, 1% a day, and it don't even. It could be like nigga 3% here, 1% there, lost one here, 4% there, whatever. But it equals out to one a day.
One.
$1 million a day. Most cars, most dope ass, crazy ass cars, you could cop within the millions. Now, if you're going stupid astronomical, maybe a few millions, maybe a couple millions, maybe tens and 20s of millions. But nigga, though, you could buy a crazy ass, dope ass, something stupid every day.
And look, just cause. Bitch, you know what? I buy an underwater house every month.
You know, nigga, you know what? I'm gonna buy 200 Toyotas and just give them to people. Nigga! Nigga!
Hey, there's one, I think, nigga, somebody on my job was telling me about it. What's his name? Mr. Beast. He's a YouTuber. This nigga recreated Squid Game and some more shit. This nigga be handing niggas 50 bands, bro. He creates fucking shows off of other shows just to have a reason to give niggas money. Or, you know what? We're just gonna take it back to my old days. I literally, bro, watched the video on this nigga earlier while we was in the van. Cuz was like, I could not come up with an idea today for you guys. I apologize. And I said, we don't not making content, we're not making video, but we're just going back to how we did it when I first started out and really hit big. Guess we're back to getting our money. This nigga went to Memphis. Memphis is one of the most dangerous places you could be, but it's because it's one of the most poor places you could be. This nigga went to the goddamn McDonald's. Bitch had good customer service. Here's $5,000. What? Here's $5,000. Oh, you have other coworkers in there with you? All right, bro. Well, here's $30,000. I don't know how many of you guys are in there, but you guys figure that out. What? Look. Go to the mall. See a bunch of kids looking at shit, touching shoes in the store. Parents like, stop touching stuff. This nigga going, you know what? You see that family over there? This nigga went to the front desk. He said, you see that family over there?
Mm-hmm.
See that kid that just keeps touching every shoe on the wall? I'm going to give you, here, nigga, he's not here. I'm going to give you $10,000. Literally, the next whole wall that he goes to, every pair of shoe that he touches, go bring him out. I'm buying them. He said, what? He said, every shoe that he touches, I'm buying it. Go bring him out. I can't do that without size. Every shoe that he touches, just mark it out. I got you, bro. Here. Look, for the nigga to stop being difficult here, bro. Here's $1,000. For every shoe that he touches, I'm buying it, bro. Go get it. Walked up to the lady, tried to top it up with her, let her know I'm a YouTuber, I do this, and that, wow. And I just wanted to give you guys a gift today. Oh, you don't have to, that's so nice. No, just let me. So I noticed your son was touching all these shoes, and I noticed a few times you told him to stop, which I get. I was raised the same way. I'm just being nice. He said, but I don't know, I just felt like doing something nice. And every shoe that he touched, I just bought him. So did you want to go put these in your car, or how do you want to do it? You're just going to have to give him your size, and then every pair of shoes that he touched, they're yours now. Dude gave him his change back. This nigga gave his change out to everybody in the fucking store. And then took this nigga his 9 pairs of shoes. Here, bro. I'm trying to do that, bro. I'm trying to do that so bad.
That's it right there.
I'm trying to do that so, bro, because you ever see the movie Lottery Ticket?
Mm-hmm. With Bow Wow.
That scene was my shit. Yeah, you know what, nigga? Hold on, bro. Hold on, nigga. This nigga, look, look. This the money, right? This nigga took the whole shit, threw it at that nigga. Nigga, I need that whole wall. All of it. Yeah, all that right there. Yeah, I need that whole wall. The whole wall of Jordans. Yeah, I need that. These two right here. Yeah, I need those. These, and nigga. Bro, what's these? Man, those are the whatever the fuck he said. Oh, fake ass shoe. I need these right now. Do it, Alan. I need them. I'm not gonna splurge money for no stupid reason like, oh, get me and my posse some shoes. Pop, bitch, no. But for all the times I done went to the Tacoma Mall, my damn self and couldn't get checked. Well, my mama as a kid and couldn't get shit. And then watch 95% of the store get told the same shit, stop touching shit. Parents becoming partial fucking acquaintances just from yelling at their kids. Well, you know what? Are you stressed out, broke motherfuckers? I love y'all. Here, nigga, I'm buying everybody's shoes today, bro. Everybody that's in the store, I'm buying your shoes. What? Everybody that's in the store, pick a pair of shoes. I'm buying your shoes. It's Tacoma, bro. There might be fucking 13 people in the store.
Mm-hmm.
I have no problem spending 2 bands, nigga, for making $1 million a day. Or, bitch, if we're making $100,000 a day, I'm spending 2 bands for that purpose, just because, shit, bro, it can add something to your day, to your life.
Mm-hmm.
That, and I'm sorry, bro, all publicity is good publicity, bitch. And two Tacoma natives, about 13 people, a pair of shoes today at the fucking local Foot Locker. That's on the news. Because you know what niggas is going to do right after that. Where are we at? We're at Foot Locker? Okay, I'm going to walk out of Foot Locker. How many niggas are in line at the food court? Are y'all closed down half the shit? A lot of us outside. Okay, boom, you brought back different things. All right. So we got a new wave of niggas who like shit. Man, God, what's your favorite restaurant that's still here? I ain't been in that bitch, so I don't know.
They got a blazing onion in there, bro. It be going stupid. Burgers.
Never went to Blazing Onion.
Shit smack. It's right next to the R.A.M.
If it was Bush Me,
or BJ's.
If it was Bush Me, walk into the Blazing Onion with you guys. We're gonna sit down, eat good burger, fries.
Soda.
Alky real quick.
Oh.
Look, man, it's the God, man. It's the God. R.A.M. God, body, Lonnie.
Yeah.
Everybody food paid for it.
Come on.
Sorry, I think you're a little drunk. No, bitch, I think you're a little mistaken. I don't need $85,000 on my neck to let you know I'm paying for everybody's food. Respectfully. Look. Come on, real quick, baby. I could buy this whole damn establishment right now. We could turn this into the Blazing R.A.M, bitch. We will turn this into the Blazing R.A.M, bitch. But you know what? Respectfully, look. This little nigga right here, we finna give you this little $1,000. Now everybody's food is paid for. I need you to go ahead and make that ticket. I know it's gonna take you some time, so that's why I gave you a bit. Can you go ahead and get that done for me? Yeah, bro, I got you. Yeah, I know. Thanks. Listen up. Got an announcement. You got a bail or something? Here, God, let these niggas know, man. Yo! Everybody food is on us, nigga.
Nigga!
It's good.
It's good. Order what? If you need more, order some more.
It's fucking great. I ain't staying here all day, so order now. He putting the ticket in right now. It's hour later, nigga.
Hey, nigga, show your ID, get a drink, nigga.
Bang.
Bang.
Write your name down and write a nice note to somebody else, nigga.
Yeah.
Take your plate and keep it pushing.
Get the fuck out of here. Sit down.
Look, I seen that nigga Russell do that.
Yeah.
Tiny little restaurant. Hey, man, pay whatever you can pay. I'll cover the rest. I love that, bro. Because you're an independent artist who really ain't rich. After fuck all, you just started. So I know you're not rich and you have no deal. Nobody gave you a lump sum of money. You're building the money. But us, not shitting on, bro, or comparing us at all. But shit, bro, if you could do that, and I love the notion. Shit, let me see if I can amplify it a little bit more with my brother, man. Shit, bring you out to perform, cause you're niggas. Hey, probably one of the best rappers in the game right now. Like he said, top 2 and he's not 2. I'm sorry. I know you're a Larry June guy, but he's top 2 and he's not 2. Lyrically.
I just like the fact that I know I sent you the first songs by him, so I know I put you on.
Look, the funny thing is,
Nah, fuck that.
his Instagram shit.
Yeah.
It really made me start listening to this nigga because his shit with the piano, where it's really like, nigga, you hear me. Nigga, I watched this nigga's whole live concerts in the garage, 48 minutes, 36 minutes, an hour and 20 minutes. Nigga, when I tell you God, I'm in there taking shots, nigga, I'm standing up, I'm jigging, I'm singing this shit. Nigga, Boss Market Blues, hooping with holes in my songs. Nigga, I'm in there lit. I'm in the garage. I'm nowhere near the concert, but I feel what this nigga saying is so tough, and there's no beat. There ain't no bass, there ain't no loud, no, nigga. Boss Market Blues, nigga. Hooping with holes in my shoes. I'll be damned if I lose, nigga. Yeah, I feel that. In my chest, nigga. Every time I hear that whole beginning, nigga, I'm like, hold on, nigga, I gotta get up, nigga, I turn the shit up. Nigga, take my shot, pick up the bean tap ball. Yeah, nigga, I'm here. Like me and you, respectfully. Especially because the nigga's about to be slaving for 271 hours. When it comes to holidays, they give us an abundance of time off. Thanksgiving, we're off, obviously, Thursday of Thanksgiving, but I'm off Thursday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Love. If it snows, fuck, we gonna drive in the snow. Half of us ain't gonna make it there. It's bad. Cool. If it snows, we can't work. Other than that, that nigga gonna be slaving. I'm just gonna anticipate now we may or may not get some snow. If it may cold. But I do know with those days off, we might have to microdose the unis. Might need you to go ahead and go through that experience with me, God. When I tell you, you can feel every bit of it. Nigga, I'm just being there, nigga, and I'm playing it off the laptop, no speaker, vibing, vibey. You checking on the tray?
I already looked at that. I'm going to the La Russell Live.
Oh, you've never watched one of them? Yes, Mando, God.
What's the one?
You being so similar to the God, be like our energy's really, you feel me, on some real divine. Man, I just love the love. You feel me? It don't gotta be, nigga, he's the best. No, nigga, I just love the love, the passion, the grit, nigga. The reason why niggas listen to that nigga Young Boy. Bitch, I'm not depressed. I don't think about dying all the time. I don't have 5 baby moms and 6 kids.
Hold on, bro. Let me know, bro. Was it his fucking garage performance IG live stream?
You want to know the best one?
The one with the Boss Market blows that got you talking about it. even know there was holes in them.
Look, nobody knew there was holes in them. That was the whole point. Oh no. Because he does it on a couple of them. Respectfully, Hyro Day is probably one of my favorite ones for sure. But Live at the Roxy, for damn sure, is a great one. Nigga. Yeah. Yeah, look, because if you're about to put it on, I need to hear it, B. And I'm actually nigga, I might have to put it on at the same time, just mad quiet over here so I can hear your shit, kind of see it up here. Nigga, Live at the Roxy, that was a beautiful show, B.
I'm gonna go to that one.
Off my motherfucking voice. Nigga, trying to rap with this nigga, bro.
I'm going.
So serious, nigga, like to the point hit a bowl after that neck was on fire. Dry. And I was like, damn, nigga, I've been